second thing we did yesterday was the midpoint. And I want you to remember the midpoint as this formula. The midpoint, which is the midpoint in the form, it's a coordinate now, it's not a number. Distance is a number, midpoint is xy, is the average of the x's and the average of the y's. Didn't write it like that yesterday, but that bar on the top means the mean. Okay? And that's it. So if we go back to our point down here, which is that one, and we ignore all the distance stuff. In fact, 6 minus 2, negative 3, 11. Let's just do this. Just make up a couple more points. Negative 2, 8. So we've got 2 points A and B, and we want the midpoint of this. If we just remember that the midpoint, which is a coordinate, is, it's not actually equals as such, but is bracket, all we have to do is look at our points and just, in our head, work out the mean or the average, the mean of the x's. And the mean is what you get when you add them together and divide by 2. And you do that for the x's and the y's. So it's the mean. So the mean of 6 and negative 2. Add them together, you get 4. Halve it, you get 2. So the answer is 2 for the x's. Add negative 3 and 8 together. 5. Half of 5, 2.5. That's midpoint. And that's as straightforward as it is. Okay, it's the mean of the x's, the mean of the y's. This point in two-dimensional space is exactly halfway between points A and B. Simple as that. Okay? So that is a nice, straightforward one. Any questions? None. Good.